Use diagram and the given information to find the unknown length. We have given that DE is 8, DC is x, and DA, it will be what? DE plus EA. We have given DE and EA, and DB is 18. We have to find DC. So let me copy our proportion. We have DE over DC. This is DA over DB. So DE, we have that this is A. DC is our unknown x. This is equal DA, like I said, is the sum of these two segments. So we can write that DA is DE plus EA over DB is given that this is 18. So now, let me copy left side. This is equal DE is 8 plus EA is 16 over 18. So we have that A over x is equal 8 plus 16 is 24 over 18. What we can do here, we can reduce by 3. So it will be 8 and it will be 6. And we can reduce also by 2. Now, so it will be 4 and 3. So we have that 8 over x is 4 over 3. So now we can cross multiply x times 4, 8 times 3. So we have 8 times 3 is equal 4 times x. Now I will divide by 4 both sides because we have multiplication, so we can do this. And when we divide by 4, 4 and 4 will reduce. 4 with 8 will be 2, 1. So we have that x is equal 2 times 3 is 6. We found the length of segment DC. DC is 6. This is my solution.